Good morning, ma'am. I am Ryan Esplorendo from Barangay Tibig, Lipa City, Batangas. I am 19 years old and I am here regarding about the job application interview as an encoder in your company. I am presently studying at Lipa City Public College and I am taking up Ladderized Education Program for BSCS. In this school year, I am expecting to have my certificate as a PC operator. I had also my on-the-job training experience in communications, electronics, and information systems at Fernando Air Base, Lipa City, Batangas. I hope that you will give me a chance to work in your company as an encoder. I will show my interest and enhance my skills and can utilize my educational qualifications.